All of you are welcome in this session of English literature. I'm Dr. Naresh Agrawal going to represent a very beautiful one act play, and the author of the play is Fritz Cornet. In the background of the play, it is observed that Percival Wilde, an American author and playwright who texted this theme for the theater arts, novels, and numerous short stories, etc. Later on, Fritz Cornet adopted this short story for the theme of his one act play. And now, what happens? Actually, this is a narrative of a former student who demands that his tuition fees should be refunded simply because he feels his education at that time was worthless, but loses his bid when he is tricked by the mathematics master. The author proves that the teachers are cleverer than the main character in the play, and the main character in the play is Washerkoff. In my opinion, the hollowness of the modern world is being reflected. The rootless modern society and the modern lenders, they don't know in which direction they are going to do, what they are going to do, without thinking they are going to commit, which is non-committal. So, in a laughing manner, I am going to relate this story. All my dear students take it very easily and seriously to understand it. Washerkoff received his education, gained his education. Now he is becoming an antagonist. He wants that his fees must be refunded, his tuition fees which paid by him for education 18 years back, because he did not get his money worth. This idea was given to him by his friend Lederer while he was walking along the street after being fired from the job. When the Lederer spoke about the speculation of foreign exchange, Wasserkoff asked, sorry, one phone was there. Okay. Actually, what foreign exchange is? He replied, to a proper responsive manner, Hungarian money is down 70 points. Washerkoff replied, I don't understand. Later said, go to school and get your tuition fees back. This was the background of the play. Now what happens? Washerkoff hurried to school to get back his tuition fees after meeting Lederer. He met the principal of the school and asked him to refund his tuition fees since he was not able to do anything and could not keep a job because he was taught badly. Principal was shocked. Further, to some extent, he says that financially he is broken, so he wants to get foreign exchange. The principal arranges for an urgent meeting with all his staff members regarding Washerkoff's re-examination. The outcome of their meeting is to checkmate him by sticking together and appreciate his answers in a very diplomatic style. Mathematics teacher tells the other members of staff that they should prevent him from failing. Really? Teachers are becoming very tricky simply because student compelled them to do so. Re-examination is being conducted. So what happens? Listen to me. Principal asked the servant to call Washerkoff for a re-examination. When all the staff members greeted him, he called the staff members as loafers. Washerkoff calls the teachers as loafers. On this, what happens? A miraculous thing is that the mathematics teacher says that the greeting shows that he approves the way which teachers and pupils are treated on equal foots in the school. Excellent for manner without any examination, said the staff members. Questions from the staff members were put one by one. The history master asked him how long the 30 years war last. Washerkoff answered that the war lasted for 7 meters. वो कह रहे हैं कि कितने लंबे समय तक युद्ध चला, ये कह रहा 7 मीटर. And teachers are really guru. They say, oh, your answer is good. History master accepts it as a brilliant answer based on theories of Einstein and other scientists. The war took place during half of each day, 3 hours a day to eat, hours given up to noonday, so total 7 hours, 7 years and 7 hours per day. The actual time spent in fighting was 7 years, and it has been Einstein equivalence of 7 meters. The physics master asked Washerkoff whether clocks in church become smaller actually if one walks away from it, or it becomes because of optical illusions. He called the physics master as an ass. फिजिक्स मास्टर को गधा कहता है वो. Then says the answer, teacher says the answer is correct simply because ass does not have an illusion of vision. गधा उसको तो कोई दृष्टि भ्रम होता ही नहीं कभी भी. The geography teacher asked Washerkoff for the name of city which has the same name as the capital of German province of Brunswick. He replied the same. Very cunningly, master said, it is correct answer. There was a legend that once as a emperor Barbossa was riding in the city, he met a young peasant farmer girl who was munching a bun mouthful. He called out to her, God bless you. She answered, same to you, sir, same to you. And the emperor laughed and said, ho, ho, ho. So the city is same. Mathematics master said, he will ask 2 questions to him. One will be difficult and other is too easy. He asked about the speed of light by x, distance of star Sirius from sun y, 9-sided regular polyhedron whose surface coincides with hip pocket of a state railway. Everyone was shocked. The answer came from Washerkoff was 20 9 liters. But the master said it a wrong one, and answer is 28 liters. While the other teachers are not happy, Washerkoff now demands for his tuition fees. Now the teacher asked him, "How much should we repay you?" He replies as 6,450 crowns, 50 hellers exactly. Mathematics teacher how declares him as a mathematical genius, and the move defeats Washkoffer. In the concluding part of the play, the principal presented the results of the examination and he passed with distinction marks. Thus the teacher and all the teachers get rid of Washerkoffs without the refund. The play is full of humor and full of ludicrous situation. It also shows the ability of the teachers to manage the situation and how they tackle Washerkoff without spoiling the reputation of their school. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, एक बार अच्छे तरीके से अब मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बता देता हूँ डिटेल में। फ्रिज कॉरिन ने ये कहानी उधारी ली और कहानी एक्चुअली पर्सिवल वाइल्ड अमेरिकन ऑथर प्लेरिट उन्होंने लिखी थी। वो लिखते रहते थे थिएटर सिनेमा के लिए, मूवीज़ के लिए। तो अपने इस लेखक ने, फ्रिज कॉरिन ने इस कहानी को लिया और इस कहानी के अंदर क्या है, एक जो पहले का विद्यार्थी है जो स्कूल में पढ़ा करता था, उसकी ट्यूशन फ़ीस की वो रिफ़ंड वापस पैसे लेने के लिए आया है सिर्फ इस आधार पे कि उनके द्वारा दी गई एजुकेशन कोई काम की नहीं है। इस प्रकार से ये आधुनिक समाज का छिछलापन, छिछोरापन, खोखलापन यहाँ पे दिखाया गया मजाक के तरीके से, और मजाक उड़ाई गई है उस स्टूडेंट की। इतने साल बाद क्या वो पैसे लेने वापस आ रहा है टीचर से कि स्कूल के लिए। यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि उसने एजुकेशन, वाशरकॉफ ने यहाँ से एजुकेशन ली थी, अब वो पैसे वापस लेने आता है। 18 साल पहले एजुकेशन ली थी और टीचर वो मनी कैसे देंगे, क्यों देंगे भाई। और ये जो आइडिया है ये उसका फ्रेंड, वाशरकॉफ का फ्रेंड लेडरर, उसने कहा था कि देख तू उनसे पढ़ा, तेरी सर्विस नहीं लगी, ये नहीं लगा, वो नहीं लगा, तेरे काम की नहीं आई और नहीं आई, चल तू बता फॉरेन एक्सचेंज के बारे में, विनिमय विदेशों से क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, तेरे को नहीं पता। तब उसने कहा कि जब तेरे को इतना सा ही नहीं पता तो तू जैसे फवतियाँ सी कैसी होंगी, किस स्कूल में पढ़ा, जा उस स्कूल के टीचर्स भी मूर्ख हैं, पैसे लेके आ वापस, ये कर। और ये मूर्ख लड़का उसकी बातों में आ गया और 18 साल बाद उस स्कूल में आ गया जहाँ वो पढ़ता था। प्रिंसिपल सर, सारे टीचर स्टाफ सब मिले, सारी बात सुनी। टीचर्स इसके भी गुरु हैं। प्रिंसिपल सर ने कहा नहीं, हम तेरा परीक्षण करते हैं, तू तो बहुत लायक है, ये है। सभी टीचर ने मिलकर सलाह बनाई कि इसके किसी भी आंसर को गलत नहीं कहना बल्कि प्रशंसा करनी है। तो इन्होंने वो सारों ने क्वेश्चन पूछने सीखे। उसने कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछा कि कितने दिन युद्ध चला और कैसे चला। तभी कभी वो कहता है 7 मीटर चला, ये चला, है ना। तो 7 मीटर तो अलग चीज़ है, वो दिनों की बात कर रहे थे। लेकिन टीचर्स ने बड़ा होशियारी से, चतुराई से, बहुत चालाकी से कहा नहीं नहीं इनका आंसर सही है। क्यों सही है, उसको आइंस्टीन की थ्योरी और ये वो टेढ़े मेढ़े तरीके से जोड़ के कहा कि हाँ उन्होंने भी कहा था 7 घंटे युद्ध चला, 7 साल तक चला, पर डे 7 घंटे, क्योंकि नहाने धोने, खाने, मनोरंजन में इतना टाइम लग जाता है तो बाकी 7 घंटे ही बचते हैं। जबकि उसने क्या कहा था 7 मीटर्स। फिर ऐसे भी और कोई क्वेश्चन हुए और सबने ये धार रखी थी कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर गलत नहीं करना। मैथमेटिक्स वाले ने 2 पूछे, एक वो कहता नहीं ऐसे करके ऐसे होगा, दूसरा सही था। आखिरकार उसका रिज़ल्ट डिक्लेयर किया, उसको पास किया गया सबके सामने और उसको कोई फ़ीस नहीं दी और इस प्रकार से उससे छुटकारा पाया। तो ये एक आधुनिक समाज का खोखलापन, छिछलापन, बिना परंपराओं के, बिना मान्यताओं के जो आधुनिक समाज चल रहा है उसकी मजाक उड़ाई है कि बिना परंपराओं के जो समाज चलता हुआ ऐसा ही होता है। भारत की संस्कृति कहा जाता है ना, क्या बात है कि मिटती हस्ती नहीं है हमारी, वो इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि हमारे हर महीने 30 त्यौहार, हमारे बुज़ुर्ग परिवार के सदस्यों को कितना मान सम्मान दिया जाता है, उनसे परंपरा दर परंपरा हम नई नई चीज़ें सीखते आते हैं। तो उस समाज में ऐसी प्रॉब्लम कभी भी नहीं आती। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, तो आप इसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ध्यान से सुनेंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।